Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a working C compiler and Vscode. Install the C/C++ extension and code runner now. They provide IntelliSense and Quick Run. Once done, open your project folder in Vscode and add main. C with a minimal program. Make sure the compiler binary is on path so tasks and the terminal can invoke it. This first actionable setup gets you from nothing to a file you can build and run immediately. You next configure automated build and debugging. Create a tasks JSON that compiles with debug symbols using GCCG and outputs an executable. This lets you press build quickly. Then add a launch. JSON using the CPPDBG adapter, point program to $file $name/ $file base name, no extension, set CWD, and optional args. Also edit C CPP properties. JSON to set include path and the C standard, so IntelliSense matches the compiler. You finish by running a full build and launching the debugger to validate setup. Make sure breakpoints hit and variables inspect correctly. If things fail, check path and that your tasks. JSON uses the exact compiler name and flags, also confirm launch. JSON selects GDB versus LLDB for your platform. Use the integrated terminal and set tasks to verbose to see command lines. One key tip: if the debugger won't attach, confirm the executable has debug symbols and isn't stripped before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.